Hello guys, today I will show you Azure SMS Pro. It is a bulk SMS sender in which Microsoft Azure Communication Services are used in order to send messages in bulk. All the messages are sent as an encrypted content, so provider is not able to see what is being sent. From settings, here we can add an Azure account by giving a connection string and a phone number. We can also give Azure account name, but it is optional. I have already added an account. We can edit account if we want to change credentials, or we can also delete an old unused account. Here we can give a delay, minor delay for each message for slow sending, or if we want to send very fast, we can set it to 0. Here we can give our message content either by input or browsing from a file. I have already added a content here and I am using code 6 to use random 6-digit code in every message, and you can see this message is encrypted and it will be sent as an encrypted content. So there is no account ban or messages effectively delivered. We can also use code for letters, random IP address, and a random date. In this lead section, we can also use leads from a file or by input. I will use some random online number for test. Let's input here. And we can save these leads. So in send section, we can start sending by just clicking on start sending, and in this way it will start sending messages. Now let's test it. It will ask for confirmation and then we press yes. Now all three messages are sent, and let's check here. You can see all three messages are sent successfully and with the link, and there is a random 6-digit OTP code that we used code 6 variable in the message. In this way, we can send messages by rotating the content. And this is the tool. Here is a code of the tool. It is purely made in Python and it is latest version of the tool. I have added many features in this tool. You can contact me anytime on Telegram. I will provide my contact details in the description, and by using these Azure Communication Services, we can send messages unlimited with link without any account ban. Thank you for watching. Kindly share video, like it, and subscribe to my channel for further latest videos and content. Take care. Bye.